Hey there and welcome back. Today we have a Norwex package that just arrived. I ended up ordering 2 new things that I have never had before and one I have used. So let's see what they are. So if you've never heard of Norwex, Norwex is a company that carries cleaning and personal products. These products provide quality in your life and reduce chemical use in your home. They carry quite a few different things and every year come out with something new. So once we have all these items out of the box, I will review them with you. So let's start with this reusable grocery bag. This bag is perfect for using on every shopping trip. Using it on the go, reduces waste, and I love how strong it is. There's 3 different looks you can choose from. This one is retro. They also have green and rings. Next, I want to show you the carpet stain remover. This is one of the products that I just purchased, so I have not used it yet. But on the back of the bottle, it says it removes tough carpet stains, including pet, food, and beverage stains, and organic waste. You can also use this on your furniture. Sometime I will make a video and show you how well this carpet stain remover works. It also comes with a spray nozzle to make it easier to spray on the areas you need to remove stains. Next here we have the liquid laundry detergent. Some people like the liquid and some people like the powder. Norwex also sells the powder type. So Norwex says that this liquid detergent is tough on dirt but not the environment and can be used with HE and standard machines. It also comes with an easy pump. So this liquid detergent is tested against the toughest odors and stains. It's ultra concentrated and fragrance free. So there's one product I would highly recommend are these dryer balls. I have used these dryer balls for years and love them. I own 6 of them. They help cut down your drying time and reduce static. So if you don't have these, I highly recommend them. So I do want to say that this video is not sponsored. This is just my personal opinion, and I just wanted to share with you. You can check out some of my other Norwex unboxing videos. I can link them into this video for you to find them easier. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.